Hey, you, come here. Have you ever tried to stick to a shopping budget, but your bank card is linked to multiple spending sources? Or you've tried a free trial for Netflix or Canva, and you forgot to cancel and they keep charging you? Or is your local bank card not accepted on an international site? Look no further. Faveremit have got you. I'm going to be like my friend Donis and Naira. Speaking of Donis, please what? Hello? Okay, you want to pay for subscription? Okay, yes, use the Faveremit app. Yes, the same one I used yesterday for my gaming subscription. Oh, alright. I'll send you the link now.